people have heard about such things as the Great Goldfish Caper, where a bunch of us took all of the goldfish in the bursar's bathtub, where they were being protected and fed, while the pond had been drained so that the stones could be cleaned. Well, I say we, without identifying people, stole the goldfish and kept the goldfish away. And there was, of course, a rumbling of outrage. And as a result, I received an invitation to read a Latin requiem at one dinner for the goldfish, at which people realized that this was fun. And the goldfish returned shortly afterwards.